I'm a biologist. I like to study how the environment interacts with animals, and in particular non-human animals. And I study the physiology. I study how the organ systems work together and how they keep the animals in a balance with the environment they're trying to succeed in, to tell us how they are responding to the environment that will then give us insight into the future, not only of how to keep these animals around, but also potentially on how to lead to really creative new healthcare procedures, treatments, or thought processes that might help in general human health as well. I've always been interested in biology from the time I was a young kid. It's something about outside nature. And then when I kind of figured out through school that there were more paths than just becoming a doctor, in terms of medical doctor, that I could explore other things, that's when really the light bulb started going off and I started exploring different concepts. And getting into research led me to this whole idea that the world is only as big or as small as the questions that I'm capable of asking, and ask questions that hopefully help us solve some of the problems that we're experiencing in society. Biology is one of these areas where there's truly so many different ways in which you can take that degree and apply it to a career. We think that all happens outside of the textbook here at UCM. We're very hands-on with our students in terms of we have labs that get them out to the field if you want to be a field biologist, or have you working at the bench if you want to be a molecular biologist. We have a molecular tech class that mimics the industry environment. So you work on a week or week-long projects on a regular basis. The ability to ask a good question involves intensive background research, where you really have to hit the literature. And we take the time in our classes to take that stuff and make you drive into the literature so you can formulate your own question, not just one that we provided to you. And then the high-end relevant equipment that's current and modern, so that when you get into industry or you get into the federal government system or into graduate school, you're used to the high-end equipment. It's not new to you. You're not surprised by it. I think that's another important part. So we continuously try to look for funds to keep ourselves upgraded, and keep our students active in the lab, not for our own careers, but for their careers, for their ability to go out and change this world.